Hello, my dear students. Myself, Lakshmamma HR, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, Anekal, Bangalore district. In the previous semester, we had discussed the problems on Cordell-Person coefficient of correlation. Calculate Cordell-Person coefficient of correlation from the following data. This is X variable and this is the value of Y variable. X variable values are 10, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13, 11, 9 and 10. The values of Y variable are 9, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 8, 4 and 9. So these two are the variables, X variable and Y variable. Now we are going to solve the problem on Cordell-Person coefficient of correlation under the actual mean method. So for in the actual mean method, we have to write the variables as it is. We have to make 7 columns, X column, Y column, and X minus X mean, X column, Y minus Y mean, Y column, and we have to make X square as well as Y square, then last X into Y column. Then we have to write the values of X variable 10, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13, 11 and 9. Similarly, the Y variables values are 9, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 8 and 4. Now we have to make the total of X columns. X column alliruvantaha ella variables anna total ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. You will get 80. Similarly, how to do the total of Y variable? The total of Y column will comes to 64. Now we have to do, this is sigma X 80, sigma Y 64. Now we have to find out the X mean. X mean is equal to sigma X by N. Sigma X total will get here 80. 80 divided by number of items. N is equal to number of items. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 80 divided by 8 will get here 10. Similarly, Y mean we have to compute. The total of sigma Y is 64. N is number of items. So 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. So this is the X mean will get 10. Y mean we will get 8. Okay, students. See now. X minus X mean. So this is X value. X mean what we are find out it there 10. So 10 minus 10, X mean 10, 0. So 6 minus 10 minus 4, 9 minus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 10, 0, 12 minus 10 plus 2, 13 minus 10 plus 3, 11 minus 10 plus 1, 9 minus 10 minus 1. Similarly, we have to calculate the Y value. Y minus Y mean. Namge Y mean ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು 8 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is Y value, Y variable in the Y mean ಅನ್ನ less ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get Y value. For example, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 8, 1 plus 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 11 minus 8 3, 13 minus 8, 5, 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 8 minus 4. So this is y value. This is x value. After find outing x value and y value, next we have to calculate x square. X square is nothing but x anna ನಾವು square ಗೆ change ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 0 into 0, 4 into 4, 1 into 1, 0 into 0, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So this is called as x square. X square ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is called as sigma x square. So this is called as sigma x square. Similarly, we have to calculate y square also. ಈಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ y find out ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, so y ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 into 1, 4 into 4, 16, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 5, 25, 0 into 0, 0, 4 into 4, 16. Okay, this is called y column, y square column. Y ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, we get y square. So this is called as sigma y square. The value what we are getting here, this is called as sigma y square. Then the next step is sigma xy. Idu third column x column, fourth column y column. We have to multiply x into y. You will get xy column. Sigma xy, we call it as sigma xy. Okay, when we are computing sigma xy, you have to very careful. If it is 1 plus value or if it is 1 minus value, at that time you have to put signs. Okay, so 0 into 1, 0. Here see, minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus will become plus. So here plus 16. So if it is plus, no need to say put the plus sign. If you will get minus, then only you have to put the minus sign compulsorily. Okay, so here minus 4 into minus 4, you will get plus 16. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 2, you will get plus 2. So 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 5, 15, 1 into 0, 0, and here minus 1 into minus 4, you will get plus 4. Okay, got students? So now this is called as sigma xy. So the total of sigma xy will make it as 43. So sigma x square is 32, sigma y square is 72, sigma xy is 43. So for this we have to put formula now. So we are already find outed sigma x, that is mean x mean as well as y mean. Okay, now this is the formula for calculating correlation. This is the R symbol constitute correlation coefficient. So now Carl-Person coefficient of correlation under the actual mean method is sigma xy divided by root sigma x square into sigma y square. So this is sigma xy. So in the sigma xy, what we are find out here, 43 sigma xy. Sigma x square is 32, y square is 72. These values we have to put in the formula. So if we will put these values in the formula, we get correlation. Okay, so this is 43 and root, this is sigma x square value into sigma y square value is equal to 43 divided by root 32 multiplied to 72, you will get 2304. Okay, keep the root as it is. 2304. Next step is 43, right, as it is, divided by 2304. For that ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 48 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 43 divided by 48 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get plus 0.8960. So plus you will get here plus 0.8960. If you will not get any minus value, it is called as positive correlation. Okay, remember students one thing. Whenever you are computing the person coefficient of correlation or rank correlation, you have to put the plus or minus sign. For this also in the exam, you will get 1 mark. If you will not write the plus or minus sign value, either it is a positive correlation or negative correlation, you will lose 1 mark. So remember, always after computing the correlation coefficient value, either you will get plus value or a minus value, you have to write it is positive correlation, it is negative correlation, like that you have to mention. Okay, so this is the formula for calculating correlation coefficient. And after find outing the values, if you will put the values to the formula, you will get correlation coefficient. Okay, this is important for section C. Next is, we will move to the next problem. Calculate person coefficient of correlation from the following data. So here this is x variable and this is y variable. In the x variable, they are given the data like this: 64, 56, 80, 45, 30, 60, 70, 20. In the y variable, 60, 40, 70, 48, 20, 52, 80 and 50. So this is the problem. This is x variable and this is y variable. In the x variable, how many number of items we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items is there. Similarly, in the y variable also we have 8 variables. So this is the problem. Now we have to make columns like this: x column, y column, again x column. X column is nothing but x minus x mean. Okay, next fourth column is y minus y mean. Next fifth column is x square column, then y square column, last is x into y column. Okay, now write down all the x values here in the x variable, all the y variable values in the y variable column. Now we have to make the total of x. The total of x will become 425. Okay, 425 is called as sigma x. Sigma x is the total of x values. Similarly, you have to calculate the total of y. The total of y will become sigma y. See here, sigma y. How much? 420. Now what we have to do is, we have to find out x mean for sigma x and y mean for sigma y. How? Sigma x divided by n, we will get the x mean. Y mean is equal to sigma y by n. N means number of items. Number of items in x variable and y variable will be 8 items. So next is, we have to find out the sigma x by n, number of items and the values. So here in the sigma x, the total is 425. The total of sigma x is 425 and n is number of items, that is equal to 8. So 425 divided by 8, you will get 53.12. So if you will get fraction, if you will get fraction, write like that only and do calculation as it is. Okay. And sigma y is 420. So y mean is equal to sigma y by n. N is number of items. So if is equal to 420 divided by, you will get 52.5. So this is x mean and this is y mean. So whatever the values is there in the x column, this is x column and this is y column. All the items 62, 64, 56, 80, 45, all these items you have to uh, um, you have to make substitute with the y values, that is called the 53.12. So x variable ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು 53.12 ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ x values ಬರುತ್ತೆ here. So here whatever the fraction items you will get right as it is. Okay, x minus x mean you will get the values here, and y minus y mean you will get the y values here. Okay, so like that, x column 10.88, 2.88, 26.88, minus 8.12, minus 23.12, 6.88, 16.88, minus 33.12. This is the values of x. So similarly, you have to calculate y column also. So y column, how much of items we are getting here? 52.5. So subtract all the y value items in 52.5. You will get the values of 7.5 minus 12.5 plus 17.5 minus 4.5 minus 32.5 minus 0.5 plus 27.5 minus 2.5. Okay, this is what we are get after subtracting y column with the y mean. Okay, next step is see students here. So this is what we are get x column. So we have to make it as x square. X na ನಾವು square ಗೆ change ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 10.88 into 10.88. Like that, if you will make, you will get 1.86. 2.88 into 2.88, 8.30. 26.88 into 26.88, 722.53. Here minus 8.12 into 8.12, 65.93. 23.12 into 23.12, 534.53. 6.88 into 6.88, 47.33. Okay, 16.88 into 16.88, 284.93. 33.12 into 33.12, 1096.93. This is what we are getting x column. So x column here, we got here the total of x is called as sigma x square. Okay, so here what we are find out that y minus y mean is equal to y. Similarly, now x na hege square ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು y ಅನ್ನು ಸಹ ಅದೇ ತರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. 7.5 into 7.5, 12.5 into 12.5, 17.5 into 17.5, 4.5 into 4.5, 32.5 into 32.5, 0.5 into 0.5, 27.5 into 27.5, 2.5 into 2.5. So we'll get y column, y square will get y square. This will become sigma y square, 2358. What we'll get, that is called as sigma y square. So here we are find out it's x column and y column multiplied x column to y column. So here 10.88 into 7.5. So if we will multiply, we will get 81.6. Okay, see now next step. Here plus 2.88, here into minus is there. See here minus 12.5. Okay, see students here. If it is 1 plus and 1 minus value, at that time the x and y column will become minus. Okay, plus into minus, minus. Okay, at that time we will be very careful for writing the sign values here. Sign minus 36. Okay, 26.88 into 17.5, you will get 470.40. 8.12 into 4.5, 35.54. Here, see here, minus is there. Here is also minus is there. So, minus into minus, plus. No need to write plus value here. Okay, if you will get minus value, then only you have to write the minus sign. If you will get plus value, no need to write the plus value. Okay, 6.88 into minus 0.5 minus 3.44. 16.88 into 27.5, 464.2. Okay, here minus 33.12 into minus 2.5. Here one x value minus as well as y value also minus. So minus into minus plus. No need to write the plus value here. So now what we will do is you have to calculate all the plus values first. First plus value ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ minus 36 ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ minus 3.44 ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ XY. ಓಕೆ, plus first for calculating sigma XY, you just add up all the plus values. Okay, so wherever minus values is there, to this values you deduct the minus 36 as well as minus 3.4. You will get sigma XY 1847.2. So for computing correlation coefficient, we require sigma X square as well as sigma Y square as well as sigma XY. Okay, these three values we require. Now, next is formula. Formula, as I already told you that correlation, this is the symbol for correlation. Correlation coefficient is equal to sigma XY divided by root sigma X square into sigma Y square. So now sigma XY 1847.2 divided by root 2878.86 into 2358. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ನಮಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1847.2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 6788351.88. ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ you have to write 1847.2 divided by, for this if you will put square root, you will get the root hakadaga 260.5.44 you will get. Okay, so this values you divided by this value, you will get 0.7090. Here you will not get any minus value. Minus value bandilla. If you will not get any minus value, this will become plus value. That is nothing but positive correlation. Okay, as I already told you that, don't forget to write the positive or negative correlation in the exam. Okay, for this also you are lose 1 marks. If you will not write the interpretation, either you will get positive or negative correlation, you have to write what you will get, either positive or negative correlation. Okay, students, got students? Okay, next problem is calculate Carl-Person coefficient of correlation from the following data. This is X values. X values are 60, 34, 40, 50, 45, 41, 22, 43, 42, and 66. Y values are 75, 32, 35, 40, 45, 33, 45, 50, 45, and 40. So this is X variable and this is Y variable. So how many number of items is there in the X variable? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the X variable 10 item, in the Y variable also 10 item. Okay. So now make the table, X column table, Y column table, right? As it is in the question, 60, 34, 40, 50, 45, 41, 22, 43, 42, 66. Like that, write down all the values and write all the values as it is in the question of Y variable. So next process is we have to make the total of X. X column ella total ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ sigma X ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So sigma X as well as sigma Y we have to compute. Okay. So now the sigma, the total of all the X values is 443. The total of all the Y values is 440. Next step is we have to make X mean as well as Y mean. So X mean, how to find out X mean is the total of X is 443 divided by 10. So 443 divided by 10, you will get 44.3. Similarly, you have to calculate Y mean. Y mean is equal to sigma Y by N. Sigma Y, how much you will get? 440. See students here, 440 divided by 10, that is equal to 44. So sigma, that is X mean 44.3, Y mean is 44. Okay, these two values you have to keep in mind when computing the table. So X value, idu X value, X mean. Now again find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದು X mean 44.3. So ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ X values ಅನ್ನ 60 ಇಂದ values ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ you will get the value of X column. This is X column. You will get all the values of X column. Similarly, whatever you will get here, the 44 ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು Y values ಅನ್ನ Y variable ಇರುವಂತ values ಅನ್ನ 75 minus 44, 32 minus 44, 35 minus 44, like that if you will do, you will get Y column. This is X column and this is Y column. Okay, see students here, this is X column and this is Y column. Now what you will do next process, next step is you have to make the X square. How to do the X square? So now X square is, you have to make the X into X square. 15.7 into 15.7. Like that if you will do, you will get all these values. Okay. Similarly, you have to do the Y square. Y, whatever the Y value you are getting here, 31 into 31. 12 into 12. 9 into 9. 4 into 4. 1 into 1, 11 into 11. Like that, if you will do, you will get all the values here. This is called as Y square. Okay. Now, this is X square and this is Y square. This X square is called as sigma X square. Okay. See students here, this is called as sigma X square. The total of Y square will become sigma Y square. So this is sigma Y square. Now this is third column, X column, fourth column, Y column. What we will do now? X into Y. Multiplied X into Y, we will get XY. We call it as sigma XY. Okay, sigma XY. See. 15.7 into 31. Here plus sign is there, here plus sign is there. So here also plus sign. As I already told you in the previous problem. 1 minus, if it is 1 minus 1 plus, at that time we will get minus value. See here. plus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. See here, plus 5.7. Here one minus is there, minus 4. At that term, you have to write minus 22.8. Okay. Oh, here minus and minus is there, that will become plus. Here one minus is there, one plus is there. At that time, it will become minus 22.3. And here one minus, one plus, so minus. One minus, one plus, again minus. One plus, one minus, here minus. Okay. So all these values are minus values. Okay. Now you have to calculate sigma xy. How? Plus first ಎಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿ values plus ಇರೋ values ಎಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ minus signs ಇರುವಂತ values ಎಲ್ಲ less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ you will get sigma xy. Okay, for calculating correlation we require sigma x square, sigma y square as well as sigma xy. Okay, now the values if you will put in the problem, this is the symbol for correlation. R is a symbol for correlation. Sigma xy divided by root sigma x square into sigma y square. This is the formula. Okay, whatever the values you are got in the table, you have to take the values here. 544 divided by root 1390.1 into 1378. Like that you have to write. And 544 divided by root, if you will multiply these two values here, you will get the value 1915557.8. So 544 divided by, if you will for this values, if you will put the root, you will get 1398.41. Okay, next step is 544 divided by 1398.41, that is equal to 0.3890. Here 0.3890, you are not get any minus values here. If you are not get any minus values, it is nothing but it is positive correlation. That means for x and y variable, there is a positive relationship is there. It means the interpretation is a correlation coefficient is nothing but the relationship between the two variables. So the relationship between x and y variable is positive correlation, positive relationship is there. So always write in the exam either you are getting positive or negative correlation. Okay. Thank you for listening. We'll continue in the next class.